The most common triggers for hiccups that last less than 48 hours include drinking carbonated beverages, drinking too much alcohol, eating too much, excitement or emotional stress, sudden temperature changes, swallowing air with chewing gum or sucking on candy. Hiccups that last more than 48 hours may be caused by a variety of factors, which are generally grouped into the given categories in this video. Nerve damage or irritation. The most common cause of long-term hiccups is damage to or irritation of the vagus nerves or phrenic nerves, which serve the diaphragm muscle. Factors that may cause damage or irritation to these nerves include a hair or something else in your ear touching your eardrum, a tumor, cyst or goiter in your neck, gastroesophageal reflux, sore throat or laryngitis. Central nervous system disorders. A tumor or infection in your central nervous system or damage to your central nervous system as a result of trauma can disrupt your body's normal control of the hiccup reflex. Examples include encephalitis, meningitis, multiple sclerosis, stroke, traumatic brain injury, tumors. Metabolic disorders and drugs. Long-term hiccups can be triggered by alcoholism, anesthesia, barbiturates, diabetes, electrolyte imbalance, kidney failure, steroids, tranquilizers,